Babay with the steal. Saulong. So Pipito basket. 4-2 is our score. 9 minutes first quarter. Magic 8. Winner will advance to the Magic 4. It's Mahinay. Points. Paloma, season MVP candidate for the first triple of the game. Score 7-4. Bye-bye. Jump shot. 4-2. Bye-bye. Paloma long three. Short. Rebound. Ruruain. High all the way to the top. Paloma. Outside. Ball remains. Foul committed. 0-0 first quarter. First foul. Ipito. Wala. Rebound Saulong. Di Tururuhain. 10-7 is our score. Paloma basket. 5 points in the first quarter. Di puro sagalan tajam pangaw. Mahinay. Mahinay. Good pass. Another turnover. Wrong. Raiko. Raiko. Oh, in and out. Double team. Pass to Vega. Vega, kaulong. Dito with a rebound. Raiko. Oy, turnover. Bad pass. Mahinay. Mahinay. Pass to Ruro. Pass. Score 12-9. First quarter. Spark Uppers with a 3-point lead. Del Toro Jr. Wala. Rebound to Raiko. Outside. Pipito. Wala. Turuhain. Wala. Vega. Wala. Too many opportunities. Pito basket. 12-11 is our score. Turuhain. Off. Nice move to the basket. Wala. Ruro with the rebound. Behind the back. Another turnover for Ruro. Ruro. Pass to Paloma. Paloma. Pass to Pipito. Pipito. Good defense by Babay. And here comes the court hopper. good pass! Foul, wala. Hello, mga basket. 16-12, 4 minutes, 24 seconds. Paloma short, rebound. Paloma basket, nice move by season MVP candidate Mark Spencer Paloma. Score 16-14. Another turnover. Oh, nice move. 2-0 Paloma jump shot. Friendly bounce. Inabit-bit ni Palomang team ba? All of a sudden, it's a tie ball game. Deadlock at 16. Roro to Vega. Traveling violation. Ay, turnover. Mahinay. Mahinay. Mahinay foul basket. And one for JR Mahinay.
Shooting foul and one.
Short. Good box out by Pepito. Out to Praico. Praico challenging Babay. Good defense. Outside. Paloma 3. Wala. Rebound against Mark Spencer. Foul. No basket. Paloma first attempt basket. 17-18. Second attempt. Short. Rebound. Tolong. Foul. Duro Pepito. Foul basket.
72 Pepito. The Spurs personal foul.
Rebound Pepito. Paloma. So El Toro foul. Wala. El Toro Jr. Basket. 2 out of 2 for El Toro. There's a pressure applied to the backcourt. D-Nerds. D-Nerds. Good defense. Bad pass. Turnover. 2019. Praico. Soft touch. Basket. 21-20. Short-handed ang Ray-Ray pero gabato. Baut-baut ang ampang. Rorohain. Jump shot. Points for Roro. Praico. Praico. Quick step. Nice move to the basket. Move. What a finish. 23-22. Bansin na Ray-Ray. D-Nerds. D-Nerds. Foul. And basket. Good rebound. There's a a foul. Uy, nagagaway. Go. Basket. 25-23. Aban si Ray Ray. Almost a steal. Mahinay. Mahinay. Oh, good defense. Mother. Oh. That's traveling. Good defense by El Toro Jr. Paloma, long three. Wala. Rebound, bye-bye. Uy, nice pass. Mahinay ginbali. Mahinay follow up. Basket. JR Mahinay. Raiko. Raiko. Good defense. By sa ulong. Paloma. Quick step. Side step. Nice move. Wala. Rebound goes to Ruruhain. Tadyan ay first quarter pa lang. Wallace. Nerds. Oh, what a move! Grabe si JR May. Nice move. Raiko. Between the legs for three. Short. Rebound. Mahinay. Kondisyon si Mahinay ba? Mahinay. 3 on 2. Pass break to Babay. Foul. Nakulong good. Ruruhain jump shot short. Rebound Paloma. Paloma up and running too quick. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Oy, wala may rebound. Paloma. Paloma. Wala gyapon. Pwerte ka sa dyan ang first quarter. 27-25. Kasadya kampang bout good. First quarter.